welcome to this charming waterfront home located in the highly sought after Jefferson Point in Kingston, Washington. Want to know what we love about this home? Well, take a look at the stunning views of the Puget Sound and the Cascade Mountains.
On almost an acre and with 100 feet of beachfront, this home provides a tranquil place for you to relax and unwind. It did have water access, but with just a little bit of work, that'll provide you the opportunity to enjoy the beach life, such as kayaking, fishing, beachcombing, and of course, those long romantic walks on the beach.
So let's go on in and go check out the home. So the home has hardwood floors throughout, and I love this open concept living. It just takes full advantage of the amazing views here through these beautiful large windows.
And in here is the primary bedroom, and you can wake up in the morning with the sun shining off the water. The bathroom has been updated with a tile shower and a new vanity.
And over here we have our kitchen with this gorgeous granite countertop. And down here we've got some pull-out drawers in the kitchen that allows for easy access to your cooking essentials. But my most favorite is this opening right here that allows you to be able to see the stunning views as you're sitting here cooking on your stove. And then over here we have our laundry room. Back over here we have 2 extra bedrooms and a full bathroom. So imagine yourself sitting out here sipping your morning coffee or relaxing after a long day, taking in the stunning views and breathing in the fresh sea air.
And this home truly shows the pride of ownership with a newer roof, fresh insulation in the attic and crawl space, new appliances, and a heat pump that also provides air conditioning.
So if you're looking for a quaint home that's just minutes from Kingston with its shopping, restaurants, downtown waterfront with summer concerts, and ferries that's easy access to both Edmonds and Seattle, this home could be for you.
I'm Mike.
I'm Kim.
And I'm Judah. And this is Layla.
With Northwest Life Real Estate. Call us to schedule an appointment to view this beautiful dream home.